Patterns in nature. Symmetry. Shell symmetry patterns are a remarkable interplay of biology, mathematics, and physics. Understanding these patterns not only reveals the intricate mechanisms of nature but also provides valuable insights for various scientific and practical applications. Fivefold symmetry. Calichuchi. Calichuchi flowers have distinct patterns on its petals. This Calichuchi flower has petals with different colors, creating a bicolor effect. The center of the petal is color yellow while the outer edges is color white. This pattern can help the flower to attract pollinators because of its attractive appearance. Stripe patterns. Dracaena. Dracaena plants are valuable for their environmental benefits, including air purification and humidity regulation. They enhance mental health and well-being by reducing stress and improving indoor aesthetics. Stripe pattern. Phormium yellow wave. Phormium yellow wave is a variety of New Zealand flax known for its striking striped foliage. The stripe patterns on yellow wave typically consist of yellow-green margins that contrast with darker green or bronze central portions of the leaves. Fractal patterns. Fractal patterns in caladium plants represent a blend of natural beauty and mathematical precision. These patterns not only enhance the aesthetic appeal of the plant but also optimize its ecological functions such as light absorption and camouflage. Fractal patterns in fern leaves maximize the leaf's exposure to sunlight, enhancing photosynthetic efficiency by ensuring that all parts of the leaf receive adequate light. A wave pattern in nature refers to repetitive oscillations or disturbances that propagate through a medium, exhibiting characteristics such as frequency, amplitude, and wavelength. Foam patterns refer to the intricate formations of bubbles or foam that occur on the surface of liquids, typically water, when agitated or disturbed. These patterns can vary widely depending on factors such as the size and shape of the bubbles. Fracture. Meander waves. Meander patterns in nature refer to the sinuous winding curves that rivers often exhibit in their courses across landscapes. These patterns are a result of natural, erosional, and depositional processes that shape the river channel over time. Affine. Affine patterns can also refer to the growth habit or architecture of amaranthus plants, including their overall shape, branching pattern, and how they fill out their space in a garden or landscape. Spiral patterns. Spiral is a pattern that moves around at a central pocket and continuously widening.